Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. We're out right against the Rudolph Elder Park. The viewers, we're right against the Rudolph Elder Park. Yeah, we're right against the Rudolph Elder Park. And we see Smith. This is Smith Asphalt, the outer people. Yeah. And them I do some fixing up of the road there. I see if I can get a word in to find out what really are going on. So we're up on the Wharf Road. Yeah. And this is our work. Work are going out on the road, people. Yeah. It's a Thursday. The viewers on sub 10:39. Yeah. Today the 9th of November. And Mr. Smith out there himself sit down on the wall and supervise the work. So now I'm going to Mr. Smith. I hear what I go on. Yeah. Well, go on, Mr. Smith. So Smith Asphalt out here, people. Mr. Smith there.
Yeah, we just clean up. We just make it drive when the motorists can't hear me for move.
Okay, so you just make the road drivable.
Yeah.
So you kind of grade it down like to kind of put it on a level.
Yeah, what we're going to do, we have a patch out. We're going to do some sheet patch.
Yeah.
And everything about. We know we are clean off the heavy stuff.
Yeah.
And a backfill back the whole them so motorists can't hear me for travel more freely, you know.
Okay. So you have any major plan for out of Dumfries?
Yes, man.
Can we soon start some work out there?
Yes, man. We dig it down 150. Maybe a little bit more than 1 foot.
Yeah.
So we're going to put down fresh material down here.
Okay.
And
so
then we're going to roll it out.
Yeah.
And make elevation. Make elevation with the water that can run to the channel.
Okay.
Channel over there. We're going to add in channel.
You're going to add in channel tonight?
Yeah, channel over nice.
So I'm going to ask you something now. The process there. By how long the piece of road they can ready for asphalt? Now we have a rainy season for we do, you have to bear in mind that.
Yeah. Alright, with our side,
yeah.
We are the contractor.
Yeah.
You know, sometimes you might not see me for a period of time.
Yeah, you have to realize that.
Yeah, you might not see me for a period of time. I'm on something with the China harbor, you know?
Okay. Yeah.
And you don't know it, we don't have a say. You know
Yeah, man. But we know some the guy willing for work. When up and ready. I'm like on always. Yeah.
Hopefully everything alright, but not alright as yet. But hopefully everything alright, then we'll go ahead again. You understand me?
I always have to pick up Smith Asphalt.
Yeah.
Because we go across the parish and we look on the work. And we say so when time when we take over the work always well done.
Yeah, because you see, let me tell you something. You see, as I tell you before, there's a man who will make the paper, or the company will make the paper.
Yeah.
Come and teach us the paper. Yeah, as me I said here, the company send down some people who will teach us the paper. You understand me?
Yeah.
And what we do now, we don't just put on a paper and pave, you know.
Yeah.
You understand? We don't just put on a paper and pave. A paper 15 steps you have to make before you start paving.
Okay. So when a man say a pave, him don't know say there's a process before you reach that point there.
There's a process of paving. But sometimes I wonder why we don't get most of the work, you understand?
Because sometimes I just who know Jamaica set up already, you know. Sometimes I who know who.
Because we can't pave it without bumps, you know.
Yeah.
We can't pave it. Alright, as me tell you, if you notice how you go around and look around, good. You will see guys at the joint,
Yeah.
joining up the work.
Yeah.
You can tell which one do first and which one do last.
Yeah.
And you can notice guys,
Yeah.
a Shuban,
Yeah.
the coal mix,
Yeah.
on the joint and a dry it off back.
Yeah.
As long as the rake up on the segregation, you understand?
You
me?
understand, yeah.
And you will see our work, man. That's
Yeah,
all
man.
it-
So, I go there because I there monitor the work here, so I will see exactly where I'm going. So, big up yourself, and I thank you for the 2 minutes,
Yeah, man.
and I welcome the team, and I hope to get the, especially Dumfries.
Yeah. We're going to Dumfries. We're going to Dumfries now, we'll do some cleaning up there.
Oh, now go down to Dumfries right
Yeah,
now.
but we want to make the road with motorists.
Yeah, so you want to
use it.
move the road accessible.
Yeah.
Because one of the taxi man tell me in our interview,
Yeah.
say in one of the class them in the thing,
Yeah.
is that the road supposed to be accessible all the way to work pan.
Yeah, yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
And the motorists, them have to be road with it, them own way, you know, them
Yeah.
some of them are the problem.
Okay.
You understand me? And when you work with a, when you work, you need patience.
You need patience.
You need patience.
All right, and we have the rain pan we back, so work skillfully.
Yeah, with our side,
Yeah,
you won't have no problem.
yeah,
As me did tell you before, you remember me tell
Yeah.
you before, say, when you ask me if we're going to pay for you out, and
Yeah.
I tell you, say, all depends on what the China have about. Say,
yeah.
might
Me understand. The
do.
China ball I said the other last word.
And them are the last word, so
Yeah,
you know, why
Yeah.
if them do whatever we do and work the road, work the road.
yeah. All right. Now, so now, my brethren, go on do your thing.
Alright.
Yeah, man. Some viewers and so we just talk to Whitehead, big super out here, with the right beside the road as Elder Park. To the nice, beautiful fountain there. Big up the mayor for the upgrade there and thing. Yeah, man. So, Whitehead I show the team. He must show the man them. He must show them what to do. So, the viewers and so big super out here. Out on the road here. Saying to you guys, peace out for now.